Well, it's the dream coming true. I've just arrived at the University of Zimbabwe, and it's my pleasure to be on this environment. So I'm gonna be carrying the research on the impact of social media within the youth. So join me as I'll be interviewing the youth, knowing how they are being impacted by the social media. Follow me. Hello, brother.
Oh,
I'm Tendai, and I'm carrying out a study on the impact of that thing that you are holding in your hands.
what? What?
This thing, social media. Okay.
Yeah.
Can I ask you a question? A little
Yes.
question.
Yes.
Can you answer what is social media in 3 seconds?
Social media is bullshit
Why bullshit?
because it wastes my time.
Why?
I keep on viewing the status. I keep on, uploading the pics. YouTube is wasting my time. A lot of time is wasted.
Okay. So you're saying it's addictive.
Yes, it's addictive. It's addictive. Not only to me, but to many. I believe that's addictive.
I have one of my brothers here. Can you introduce yourself, boy?
Oh, my name is Mhloro Magomo. Live in Chitumbisa.
Okay, that's so fantastic. Nkoma, can you briefly describe social media in 3 seconds?
Social media is where we get to interact with different people, some of the people we don't even know, and some to increase the power of the relationship we have.
Okay, that's so fantastic. So you as an individual, what are you benefiting from social media?
Well, I don't really have much I'm benefiting, but then I'm benefiting the time which I'm risking to walk to go somewhere just to greet someone, but then I just use the advantage of social media.
Okay, that's so fantastic. So, in brief, what are the disadvantages of using social media?
You get lazy. I think that's all.
Is it addictive?
Yeah, it is addictive.
Oh, that's so fantastic. Thank you so much for your time. Hope to meet you soon. Thank you. The Tekwani. And again, I'm joined with my sister. Sister, can you introduce yourself?
Okay, hi, I'm Leon de Mairo doing computer science part 1.
Oh, that's so fantastic. And you are looking smart.
Thank you.
Okay, so can you please help me with this? Can you
Mm,
define social media within 3 seconds for me?
3 seconds. Social media, YouTube, WhatsApp, and Facebook.
Oh, that's so fantastic. She's so clear and loud. I get
Okay.
it, get that. So basically, you as an individual, how do you benefit from social media?
Social media, okay. I get to communicate with my parents more frequently. I get to see my music videos anytime I want. Uh, okay. Yeah, that's basically it. And I get to communicate with my friends, even about schoolwork. So, yeah.
Okay. So can you identify social media as beneficial or what?
Uh, it's beneficial. I think it is.
Okay. So can I say it's addictive?
Yeah, it can be addictive.
Okay. So what would you do if I take social media away from you?
Okay. I don't know. I don't know. I think I would turn to books or something, or I would have to actually start visiting people for social life or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are there any negative impacts on social media?
Of social media. Okay, they are. For one, you say it's addictive, so it's not good at all if it's addictive. Okay, and some people are prone to cyberbullying, especially on Facebook. Yeah, and there's, what can I say? You're prone to pornography at some point. Like, yeah, because there are some sites, even if it's a movie site, there'll be those funny ads. So yeah.
I hope you captured that.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's basically it. Yeah,
Mm,
and it destroys social life.
social
It's,
life.
yeah, to a certain extent.
Okay. How about business on social media?
It's cool. It's okay because, yeah, people are now advertising on social media. So, and social media has reaches like a large audience. So it's a good advantage. It's an advantage to the business people.
Hmm. You seem to be more detailed. Thank you so much for your time, sister.
Okay.
Okay, can I
Alright.
get a handshake or a hug?
Yeah. Okay. Alright.
Okay. I think this invest is very beautiful, but yeah, it's cool. But the issue of social media is keeping on Oh wow, that's what I'm looking for. That's exactly what I'm looking for.
Why are you still continuing to it? If I want some food. Like, okay, bye bye. Bye bye. I'll see you later.
Hey brother,
Brother, how are you?
I'm okay. I'm Tendai Tekwani.
Okay, I'm decent Mhloro.
That's so fantastic. I've seen you arguing on the social media.
Yes. I'm just facing some challenges with my girlfriend right now. So, the situation is it's undescribable, bruh.
But you look in pain, bro.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
That's
yeah,
so
yeah.
worrying. So
Yeah.
you as an individual, this pain you are feeling inside your heart.
Yes.
How would you define social media in 3 seconds?
It's a
Counting.
place where people chat with one another and translate messages.
That was so brave and short and detailed.
Wow, thank you.
So
Yeah.
basically, are there any positive impacts using social media?
Yeah, of course, there are positive impacts because sometimes I communicate with my mom, with my dad, with my friends. Every time when I want to speak to someone who's important to me, I just go onto my phone and then find a platform for to talk with them.
Okay, so going on the other side, are there any other negative impacts again?
Yeah, of course they are.
Okay,
Yeah.
what are they?
Okay, social media is for me really it's distracting my life because most of the time I spend my time on social media when I want to read my books, when I want to open to focus on other important projects. I don't know what happens. I find myself involved in this social media thing. So actually it's taking away my focus. I don't know what can I do, but social media it's really distracting me because sometimes I must have greater goals in my schoolwork, but I just found myself on phone.
Okay. So what will you do if I take away social media away from you? Would you still be smiling?
Not really.
Why not?
Because I find most of my people I need to communicate, they are far away, so those people make me happy. And I need to watch some videos, some inspirational music, or even just to refresh. I need social media.
Okay. I
Yeah,
get you. So you are saying social media is addictive.
yeah,
I need one word.
it's really addictive.
Thank you for that.
Wow.
So to conclude this, brother, how do social media benefit the society we are living in?
Okay, social media can benefit a lot because it ensures a flow of information so people can just communicate with one another. It's really a benefit. You don't need to go and bother a bus or a combi to go anywhere. You just go on your phone and say the things that you want. So it's really beneficial. That's how the community is benefiting.
Okay. Oh, so how is it also destroying the community?
In the addictive way, people are becoming, they are now focusing on it more than they should focus on it, so it's really addictive.
Okay. So do you mind if I take a selfie?
Wow, thank you.
You can
Yeah.
use your phone,
uh,
right?
it's fine. Let's take one.
Oh, that's cute. Thank
Wow,
you.
okay.
Nice meeting you, bro.
Wow,
Thank
thank
you.
you, Mr. Say Tekwani.
Tekwani,
Wow,
right?
thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much for your time, man.
I really appreciate
Take care.
that. Thank you.
I have been just joined by my two sisters real right here. They are
Tekwani.
Bongi and
Ashley.
Ashley. You are looking smartly dressed. Everything is on point.
Thank you.
So you guys, I'm carrying out a research about social media. Can you please help me describe social media in 3 seconds in your own perspective?
Um, Gets me out of boredom. So that's what I spend most of my time doing. Social media. That's my definition.
Okay, and you?
Okay, social media is the place to be. That's the only definition I can give you.
Oh wow, this is so it's so detailed, right? Did you keep that? That's cool. So you guys, how do you benefit from social media?
Well, I get to meet people, find out about stuff, what's going on around the world. Yeah,
Okay,
general.
and you?
Yeah, basically the same thing, meeting new people. Plus, I feel like, well, it can actually be a good thing because, I don't know, in terms of your career, you can find links which will help you in the future.
Okay.
Yeah.
So going on the other side, how about the disadvantages of using social media?
There's a lot of bullying. People try not to be themselves. They try to impress. There's a lot of fake people trying to do things to impress other people. That's not a
Okay.
good thing. I don't think it's a good thing.
We do it for the gram.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they do it for the
I
gram.
feel like on the other side, it can definitely be a distractive place because some people are just there to put people down. They're not really there to, I don't know, be nice. Their only reason for being there is just to put you down. If you post a picture, they'll be like, oh, is there something wrong with this or that on you? So yeah.
Okay, okay. So in general, how is it benefiting our society, social media in general?
Like I said, you meet people, you meet new people every day. I feel like that's a good thing, right? Getting to
Okay.
know, interacting with people. Also, like you said, links career-wise, you get a lot of opportunities from social media.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that is making Zimbabwe open to the world. There's like a lot of cultural exchanges. We're getting to learn about how, I don't know, like basically just that. Yeah.
You girls, you seem so detailed, and that was so interesting. Thank you so much for your time, guys.
Welcome.
Tekwani.
And I mean, it's one.
Oh, that's a nice name. So, can you help me describe social media in less than 3 seconds? I'm counting. Tick, tick, tick.
Social media. Social media, just take it as a place. Is a platform. Interact yevanhu during their spare times. Yeah, something like that.
Ah, that's a well detailed explanation on the definition of social media. So, as an individual, how do you benefit from social media?
Social media. You know, prevailing issues like fashion. You want to
Oh, I see. That's why you got a brief way.
maybe. Yeah, like and the artist kamachiparuro zvezvemusicians unoona kuti chi chavaita something like that.
Okay, so are there any other bad habits on social media? Or
Of course, for home.
what are they? Can you list only two?
Mabad habits ndekuti unogona kuva addicted kwairi zvekuti you end up investing much of your time on social media, doing less for production to your life. Yeah.
Okay, that's so nice. So,
And it's not full of charge again.
so what would you do if I take away social media away from you and I just shut down the internet and the whole process? What do you do? Would you survive?
Wakatomboona kuti pakati pashutdown yemaindaneti zvakatonetsa pakati pashutdown yemaneti zvakatonetsa.
You can survive.
I can't.
Okay, so thank you so much, sister, for your time. I hope you remember me when you meet me in the streets. I'm Tendai Tekwani. Thank you. Can you shake it again? I'm joined with one of the beautiful girls in the college. Sis, can you introduce yourself?
Hello, I'm Constance Mhloro. I'm doing business studies.
Okay, that's so fantastic. So going on to my question, how do you define social media in 3 seconds? Only in 3 seconds. Tick, tick, tick. I'm counting.
Social media is a way of communicating with people.
Oh wow, that's a short and well briefed. Yeah. So basically, sis, how do you benefit from using social media?
From social media, like I talk with my friends. From social media,
I hope you're not looking right in my head because I'm
from
quite small.
social media, I used to know many things, many new things, and watch some videos, some interesting videos and stuff.
Okay. So, are there any displeasure that you may face during your participation on social media?
Not exactly, but just because I'm not into social media that much.
Okay. So would you say but take away social media away from you?
No, I can't.
So you're into it.
I'm not exactly, but
Okay. So thank you so much for your time. It was really marvelous meeting with you.
thank you.
So can you check high five? Thank you. Sister here is very busy and she's up to something. She's using social media. That's the funny part I like about it. So sis, can you help me with how you define social media in 3 seconds to be fast?
Okay, social media is a way of communicating with friends, relatives across the world.
Oh, that's so detailed. You get that? You kept that. Thank you. So, you as an individual, how do you benefit from social media?
It has made my life easier. It's cheap. Although bundles are somehow expensive, but considering other methods of communication, social media is very cheap and affordable to every individual member of the society.
Okay, so basically, are there any negative impacts on the community?
Yeah. Firstly, social media affects the social lives of people. If I can take, for example, myself, there are times when I will be sitting in a room with other people, but I won't be paying attention to whatever they will be doing to me. I'll be just concentrating with my WhatsApp, my Facebook.
Oh, you look like me.
Yeah.
It seems the whole generation is doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And in another way, I'm a teacher by profession. I've realized that most of my students, they know, what can I say, some of the things which are not of their level due to the social media.
Yeah.
They will come and tell you, no, ma'am, I saw this on internet. I have read about this. I have seen this. I've learned this. And some of the things will be not of their age.
Okay.
I can see.
I can see that.
Yeah.
So basically, to conclude this, if I take social media away from you, would you survive?
Yeah, I can't do without.
So basically, my sister here is saying social media is very addictive, guys.
Yeah, without social media, we cannot survive. It has become part and parcel of our lives.
Wow. Thank you so much, sister, for your time. We really appreciate that.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you. A good guest know when to leave the house. It was my pleasure at the University of Zimbabwe. I did learn a lot and I did create some connection that I haven't been expecting. So to conclude this show at this campus, I'm going to be moving around in the streets. It was so unfortunate that it was a weekend. It's a weekend, so I couldn't get more of the interviews at the college. So I have to move on from this point, from this college to the other destination. I will take you there. So let's go, guys. As I will be going to the other destinations. Okay, for those who are just joining me for the first time, wow, it was a wonderful event. And today I have been at UZ and we have learned a lot at UZ, and it was a marvelous experience. So here I'm now at near semi-lab, and we are interviewing some different personnel, different age group, different characters, different social classes, and we are trying to see the impact of social media amongst the youth, amongst the society, and how it affects the community for development and so forth. So join me through this journey. Right now I'm joined with one of my big sis. We have just joined me. Sis, can you tell us your name?
Okay, I'm Tendai.
Okay. So can you please help me define social media in less than 3 seconds?
Social media, I think it's just a major where people, in media, people use for communicating with friends, family, even for work and all that.
Okay. In your own take, do you see social media is beneficial?
Yeah, I really think it's a good thing. Okay, business-wise, I think social media helps send just think it's yours. I can't really put you. Not together.
Okay, so are there other disadvantages of using social media among people?
People tend to misuse social media. These young people. That's what I think.
Yeah, that's so nice. So basically, what will you do if I take away social media?
I think I won't be able to survive. I use it like daily.
Okay, so you mean social media is addictive?
Not really, but it's something that helps us. So I won't be able to do some of the things that I do with it.
So thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your attention.
It's okay.
Hope to meet you soon. Thank you. Basically, I'm now joined with one of the gentlemen. Gentlemen, can you introduce yourself?
I'm go by Tatenda. That's my name. I stay here in Vinona. And
Okay.
then yeah.
Okay, Chatenda, as an individual, how can you define social media in 3 seconds?
Okay, social media is the transfer of data, messages, and pictures over the internet.
Okay, yeah, that's so fantastic. So, basically, with your own experience, what are the benefits of using social media?
You can talk to people instantly, and then there is what can I say? Ish, group sharing, I guess, and then community awareness. Yeah.
That's all. And how about the bad side?
Bad side, I'd say people gossip too much, and then
Okay.
there's no time for you to disseminate between speculation and news.
Okay.
So yeah.
So, if I'm in a position to take away social media away from me, would you say bye?
Yes, I would.
Why?
I'd use texts.
Okay, yeah, that's also interesting. So basically, you're saying social media is not addictive.
It is addictive, but I'm saying if I was to not use it, I'd rather text.
Okay. Yeah, thank you so much, brother, for your time. Okay.
It's alright.
My pleasure.
There we go.
Yeah, I'm joined with my brother. Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Phineas Gumoni.
Phineas Gumoni.
Yeah, I'm studying nechifana bosi yetu nganyanya
zvinhu mungatiudzawo here zvamunofunga pamusoro pesocial media?
ni right now wangu ye pasocial media ndinganyebva handishandisi foni yesocial media asi kuwhatsapp itsokeso kunokushandisa.
Okay, tiudzewo zvainokubatsirai nezvainokukanganisai.
Ndingati for the ways whatsapp iri right zifi kana uchishandisa zvinhu zvinokubatsira mukurarama handitika zvinokupa future for next handitika kwete kuti ndozofarira kuita whatsapp ndichiita zvinhu zviri wrong kutsvaga zvinhu zvisina chimiro, that is very wrong. So I can say kuti whatsapp iri right zvairi right asi hazvidi kushandisa maways ari wrong anokonzeresa situation isina kunaka.
Okay.
That's my best for WhatsApp.
Okay. So imimi sedunga munhu mungararama here tikakubvisirai WhatsApp kana zvese zvesocial media?
Inini ndichiona zvangu ka WhatsApp handinganyanya kuti ingave problem yekuti pamwe ndikanzi ndabvisirwa kwandiri. I don't know kuna vamwe vanhu asi kwandiri handioni ine problem because ndikada kuizvozvi kuti ndoshandisa mamessages kana kuti kufona and whatsoever izvozvo zvinondibatsira maybe handioni zvine problem.
Okay, tinobva
still kana ndingori nayo futi WhatsApp yacho zvingori right but at least WhatsApp too much.
Tinobva kutenda nenguva yamatipa tatienda chikoro. Thank you. It has been well spent, but with some experience, some good, some bad, but all is well. Hope you enjoy this video. Hope you be sharing this video and liking this video. More to be coming, and send us your comments. You like our Facebook page and stuff. So not forgetting the team behind the scene, that is Mhloro and Gobu Victor. Thank you guys for the wonderful support, and thank you guys for viewing this video. Mwaka Tula Daka. Thank you.